Hello friends, welcome to the Shrakshit channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. In today's video, we are going to see Andhra special recipes, sorrel leaves pickle and sweet mango pickle. We usually call it as an gongura pachadi. For lunch here I have already kept the rice and dal in a pressure cooker, and once pressure is released I will make a tadka. In meanwhile here I have soaked the sorrel leaves so that the hard mud particles present in the leaves will be removed by soaking. Let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. In meanwhile pressure is released. I am going to make a tadka. See how mashy the dal is without masher. So for the sorrel leaves pickle or gongura pachadi, here I have taken one bunch of sorrel leaves and washed it for 2 to 3 times thoroughly. Place a kadai on the gas stove. Once kadai gets heated, keep your flame on low, and here we are going to dry roast some ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and dry roast until a nice aroma comes from it. Add 1 spoon of cumin and 1 spoon of urad dal and 1/4 spoon of fenugreek. Here I have measured all the ingredients in 1 spoon only. Dry roast it for 30 seconds and transfer them into a plate and make it cool. Into a same pan add 2 to 3 drops of oil, almost 1 spoon of oil, and add 10 red chilies. You can increase or decrease the spiciness according to your taste, and roast them for about 30 seconds and transfer into another plate and let it cool. Now add the sorrel leaves into the kadai and let it cook until it comes a mushy consistency. Here I am adding 1 green chilli and 1 small size onion. You can even add tomatoes, but here I am not going to add. And this special recipe is my mom's recipe. We usually enjoy it with an hot rice and ghee when we are kids, and let it cook. Don't add any salt and water. Within 5 to 6 minutes our leaves becomes mushy consistency. Well, let it cook for another 5 more minutes. Here my kids are saying hi. Into a blender add the cooled dry ingredients and make into a coarse powder. After 5 to 6 minutes, turn off the flame and transfer the sorrel leaves into a plate and let it cool. Here our powder should be in this manner. It should be coarse in structure. Into a flame blender add the dry chilies and pulse it for 2 to 3 times. In this way, into the same blender add the cooled sorrel leaves and make into a fine paste. Here it is. So take a pan, add 3 to 4 spoons of sesame oil. A sesame oil gives a nice flavor and taste to this pickle. Once oil gets heated, add 1.5 spoon of mustard seeds and 1 spoon of cumin. If you want, you can even add the garlic pods and add the grinded paste into the kadai and add a required amount of salt. For the whole recipe here I am adding the salt and grounded powder. Here I am adding 3 to 4 spoons of powder. Mix it well. Keep your flame on medium. Here you can see the texture. It should let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes on a low flame. Keep on stirring it. And during this this lockdown time, I'm missing my mom's home very, very badly. Those who are missing their mom's homes and their mom's recipe, leave your comments in the comment section. And this is my most favorite recipe. After 5 to 6 minutes, the oil starts oozing out from the pickle. At this stage, turn off your flame and transfer into a serving bowl. Here our Andhra special Gongura Pachadi or Sora leaves pickle is recipe. Do try out this recipe and leave your comments in comment section. And our next recipe, sweet mango pickle recipe. As summer season started, we can see the mangoes everywhere. For this, take a pan, add 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Keep your flame on medium. Once oil gets heated, add 1.5 spoon of mustard and let it allow it to splatter. And add half a spoon of cumin, 6 to 7 fenugreek seeds and half a spoon of urad dal, and saute it well, and add 1 sprig of curry leaves and 1 medium sized sliced onion, and saute it well until onion becomes transparent. Once onion turns transparent, here I have taken 1 large size raw mango, washed it thoroughly and cut it in this shape. Add into the kadai and saute it well and cover it with the lid and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes on a medium flame. After 5 to 8 minutes, let's check whether mango is cooked or not. A perfect stage to add the chili powder, and add 1 spoon of chili powder and 1/4 spoon of turmeric and saute it well. You can increase or decrease the quantity of chili powder according to your taste. Now add the required amount of salt to the recipe and cover it with the lid and let it cook for another 10 minutes on a low flame. After 10 minutes, let's add our jaggery. Here I have taken 2/3 cup of jaggery. Here I have taken dust free jaggery, so I am adding it directly. Mix it well. The jaggery starts melting. At this stage, cover with the lid and let it cook for 1 minute. There may be many ways to cook these two recipes, but this particular method I have learned from my mother. Here I will show you how the mango piece has been cooked. At this stage, turn off the flame and transfer into a serving bowl. Here is our yummy, delicious sweet mango pickle is ready. You can store it for about 1 week in a refrigerator. Goes well with only white rice. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy day. If you like, give big thumbs up and leave your comments in comment section. Don't forget to subscribe.